Introducing the Cosoloco Giftland Giveaway. Are you ready to win big and become one of our lucky 3 winners? Cosoloco is all about spreading joy, and we want to share the love with you. Here's your chance to snag a fantastic gift card to treat yourself to the latest and greatest products from our amazing collections in the Cosoloco Eshop. But first things first, let's go over the rules. To be eligible, you must be 18 years or older and hail from one of the beautiful countries in Europe. We're looking for enthusiastic individuals who can't wait to dive into the world of Cosoloco. Here's how to participate. Subscribe to the Cosoloco YouTube channel, where you'll find exciting content and updates. Sign up on the Cosoloco eShop, where a world of stylish products awaits. Once you've done that, you'll be in the running for some incredible prizes. The first prize winner will receive a generous €300 gift card. The second prize winner will take home a fantastic €200 gift card. The third prize winner will still get to enjoy a sweet €100 gift card. But wait, there's more. We have one small request from our winners. We'd love for you to create videos and photos showcasing the amazing products you choose from our eShop. Share your experience with the world by uploading these visuals to the Cosoloco YouTube channel and our eShop site. It's your chance to become a Cosoloco ambassador and let others know about the incredible products we offer. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to be a part of the Cosoloco community. Subscribe, sign up, and get ready to win big in the Cosoloco Giftland Giveaway. Good luck to all our future winners, and let the fun begin.